Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable scroll lock in Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Excel document and I'm going to show you the problem I'm facing. So as you can see, I cannot move from one cell to another using my arrow key. And I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. If you have this problem on your Microsoft Excel, I recommend you to turn off the scroll lock. You have to press the scroll lock key on your keyboard. But if you don't have the scroll lock key on your keyboard, you can go to your on-screen keyboard. You just need to go to the search menu and search for on-screen keyboard. On-screen keyboard. Okay, and this is the scroll lock key and we have to turn it off. And I'm going to close this on-screen keyboard and I'm going to check it. As you can see, finally I can move from one cell to another cell with the arrow key. Alright guys, and that's all the way to disable scroll lock in Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.